steady, and go.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a speed test with the iFlight Nazgul. I have the 4S version, and I'm going to be using the 1550 milliamp hour 120C 4S batteries from Tattu R-Line. I haven't seen too many of these speed test videos online, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to use this field kind of as my straightaway. So right now the winds are about 4 mile per hour to 12 mile per hour gusts from left to right, so the wind's pushing east. We'll do speed tests in both directions so we can kind of get a good feel for it. Here we go. Take it down low to the ground, normal speeds, around the parking lot. Flip over these trees, not like that. Get it, barely. Oh. Alright, now let's get lined up on this field. And go! Woo! Battery drained really fast. Holy cow. There's so many soccer players. Let's do a little dive on one of these. One more speed test across the big field with the wind this time, and our battery's drained. Hold it steady. Go! Oh boy. I don't think it's good to drain the battery like that. It's hard here. Now let's just mess around and see how fast we do normal things. Show you guys what these are about. Caught that fence. Birds over here. There we go. I don't like being too mean to the seagulls. I'm getting too close to them because this thing is just annoying. Alright, let's bring her in.